Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's start with what is the guidance for you people for today. Let's see what the cards are saying. Ten of Swords and King of Wands. I would say the Ten of Swords may look like as if too much of chaos, too much of confusion, but I see two hands coming out. I don't know if you're able to see it. I'm just bringing it closer. I see two hands coming out. So whatever it is, you will be able to face it and come out of it successfully. End of the day, you are a person who is a warrior and you are ready to begin even from the scratch if it is needed. So there's nothing to worry as such if the day starts with a lot of roughness, if the day starts with a lot of ups and downs. Now coming to King of Wands, I feel work wise it's going to be really good, and you might, if you are expecting some appraisal there or promotion, then it might come in your favor. If you are expecting some new project to come, then the new project is also on its way today. Overall, a day of success in work, a day of happiness in work, and a very bright day. I would suggest wear something in orange. If you can't wear an orange, then carry a carnelian with you or carry a orange kerchief with you, so that work is in your favor. So now let's see what is the finances card coming for. Power of prayer. So maybe if you feel there is some finances which you want to be successfully happening today, or if there's something you're selling or buying and you want it to happen successfully, then pray to God, and the God is going to give you response to your prayer today. Basically, overall, if you see, I feel the day is going to be positive, the day is going to be good, and the day is going to be amazing. But financially, if there's something which you want to happen, then offer the prayers. Maybe what you can do is, when you start your day today, take some ghee, add a cardamom to the ghee, and add a clove to the ghee, and burn it in front of Goddess Lakshmi ji. Offer her some sweets or chocolates, and keep a red flower in front of her, indicating or telling her your issues and telling her what is the financial situation that is happening, and I'm sure she's going to help you out and she's going to guide you out. Let's see what the dragon card has for today. That's another beautiful card actually. Access cosmic wisdom and enter higher service. Now here I would say, look at this card, and there's a star. Closely, if you see, there's a star. Look at the star and absorb the energies of the star through your third eye, and try to send that energies throughout the body, so that your energies are becoming more, you're becoming brighter and energetic, and you're becoming powerful, and you have the energy to face the whole day and to be successful the whole day today. Let's see what affirmation the cards are suggesting today for you, because this week I've been bringing unicorn affirmations also. That's a beautiful card. It says help. Maybe help is on its way. Do you see? The unicorn is on its way to help you. Start your day saying, the help I need is on its way, so I will keep watching for it. I will repeat, the help I need is on its way, so I will keep watching for it. So have a blessed day ahead, and may the unicorn bless you, may the dragons guide you, and may you have success in all your career, profession, your personal life, and everything in your life today. Great day ahead. Thank you.